Hey quiz lover, welcome again to another quiz video. So today I have brought some India related MCQ questions. Let's see how much you know about India. So you have 10 seconds to give the right answer. So are you ready to test your brain? So let's go. But before we start the video, please like the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button. 3, 2, 1, it's quiz time. So here is your first quiz. What is the currency of India? And your option is A. Taka, B. Dollar, or C. Rupee. And your time start now. Yes, your right answer is C. Rupee. Let's go on the next quiz. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? And the option is A. Rajnath Singh, B. Narendra Modi, and C. Amit Shah. And your time start now. And the right option is B. Narendra Modi. Let's go on the next quiz. What is the national animal of India? Option is A. Lion, B. Tiger, and the C is elephant. And the right answer is A. Lion. Here's the next one. Which is the capital of India? Option is A. Mumbai, B. Kolkata, and the C is New Delhi. And the right answer is C. New Delhi. Here's the next one. Which language has the highest number of speakers in India? Option is A. Telugu, B. Hindi, and C is Bengali. And the right answer is B. Hindi. Here is the next quiz. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Option is A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and B. Sarojini Naidu, and C is Rabindranath Tagore. And the right answer is option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian state is famous for the tea gardens? And the option is A. Assam, B. Punjab, and the C is Kerala. And the right answer is option A. Assam. Which actor is known as the king of Bollywood? Option is A. Salman, B. Amir, and C is Shah Rukh. And the right answer is C. Shah Rukh. Where is the Taj Mahal located? And the option is A. Delhi, B. Agra, and C is Jaipur. And the right answer is B. Agra. Which is the national bird of India? Option is A. And the option is A. Eagle, B. Parrot, and C. Peacock. And the right answer is C. Peacock. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option is A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Indira Gandhi, and the C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. And the right answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? And the option is A. Hyderabad, B. Pune, and the C is Bengaluru. And the right answer is C. Bengaluru. Let's go on the next one. What is the national flower of India? Option is A. Lotus, B. Lily, and the C is rose. And the right answer is A. Lotus. Let's go on the next one. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Option is A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, and the C is Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is B. Gujarat. Here is another one. Who is known as the father of the nation? Option is A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Sardar Patel, and the C. Mahatma Gandhi. And the right answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Let's go on the next one. Which monument is known as the symbol of love? Option is A. Taj Mahal, B. Red Fort, and the C. Qutub Minar. And the right answer is A. Taj Mahal. Which Indian river is considered the holiest river? Option is A. Yamuna, B. Godavari, C. Ganga. And the answer is C. Ganga. Let's go on the next one. Who was the second President of India? Option is A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Zakir Hussain, and the C. Dr. Radhakrishnan. And the right answer is C. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Let's go on the next one. Which Indian festival is called the Festival of Lights? Option is A. Holi, B. Diwali, and the C is Navratri. And the right answer is B. Diwali. Let's go on the next one. Which Indian state is famous for backwaters? And the option is A. Goa, B. Odisha, and the C. Kerala. And the right answer is C. Kerala. What is the national sport of India? Option is A. Hockey, B. Kabaddi, C. Cricket. And the right answer is A. Hockey. Let's go on the next one. Which city is known as the Pink City? Option is A. Jodhpur, B. Udaipur, and the C. Jaipur. And the right option is C. Jaipur. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Option is A. Homi Baba, B. Vikram Sarabhai, C. APJ Abdul Kalam. And the right option is APJ Abdul Kalam. Which Indian freedom fighter gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Option is A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Bhagat Singh, and the C. Mahatma Gandhi. And the right option is B. Bhagat Singh. Which Indian state was first formed on a linguistic basis? And the option is A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, and C. Andhra Pradesh. And the right option is C. Andhra Pradesh. Let's go on the next quiz. Which city is famous for Charminar? And the option is A. Hyderabad, B. Bhopal, C. Lucknow. And the right option is A. Hyderabad. Let's go on the next one. How many states are there in India? Option is A. 27, B. 29, and the C is 28. And the right option is C. 28. Which Indian actor is known as megastar of South Indian cinema? Option is A. Rajnikant, B. Chiranjeevi, and the C is Kamal Hassan. And the right option is A. Rajnikant. Which Indian city is called the financial capital of India? And the option is A. Delhi, B. Chennai, and the C is Mumbai. And the right option is C. Mumbai. Here's the last one. Which Indian monument is located in Delhi? Option is A. Gateway of India, B. Qutub Minar, and the C. Hawa Mahal. And the right option is B. Qutub Minar. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, please subscribe our channel.